Now the temperature is 18 degrees here. The maximum temperature is set to 30 degrees. The temperature goes up to 30, then the heater will be off. And if the temperature drops to 28 degrees, then the heater will turn on automatically.
Parts that I will use to make an automatic room heater. Rice cooker heater coil. Fan. (15 amperes) magnetic contractor. W1209 temperature module. 12-volt 2-ampere transformer. Power switch. Some wooden cable. The link to purchase the parts is given in the descriptions box. You can purchase if you want. Now I have connected the power switch on the power switch to see if it works. The high temperature is set to 30 degrees in the W1209 temperature module, and the low temperature is set to 28 degrees. If the temperature is above 30 degrees, then the heater will be off, and if the temperature is less than 28 degrees, then the heater will turn on. Many programs in the W1209 temperature module can be set up in different ways. You can set. Here is the profile with P. There are two options in profile P. One is hot and the other is cold. I will keep it hot here in profile P.
You can see here that there are 3 buttons, one of them is set +1 +-. Hold down the set button, then you will see Profile, Profile 1, Profile 2, Profile 3, Profile 4, Profile 5, Profile 6. The profile can be set to 1 temperature. You can set the degree of interval here. I put 2 degrees here. Now the temperature is 18 degrees. If I do not have the sensor near the heater, then the temperature will continue to rise when it goes above 30 degrees and the heater will turn off when it is below 28 degrees. That way the process will continue so you can create an automatic room heater. See you in a new video. Goodbye, stay healthy and stay safe. Hopefully like today, I'm leaving. Be sure to subscribe to the Creative Discovery channel, and I will be presenting you with a new video.